Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own map for Macau. So what we do, well, as you can see, I'm logged in with my student account and I'm going to create my own map, and I'm going to use my own map to pinpoint all the locations I would like to visit, either by myself or with my group. Now, what we do is we click on the search thing here, we go to My Maps, and we're going to create a new map. So we click on Create, and it's going to create a map for us, and it's going to be of Macau, of course. So let's just wait. And there we go. You know you've done it correctly because you'll see all these like tools here, and you'll see this little window thing here. So let's make a start. Okay, at the moment we are in Hong Kong and we need to get to Macau. So let's find Macau. There we go. All right, there is Macau. Now, what I'd like to do, the first thing, I would like to pinpoint some of the locations I would like to visit or start off. So what I do is, let's search for the ferry terminal. Okay, ferry terminal's right there. So that's the first part I'm going to pinpoint. So you'll see it's a green pin. All right, click on it, go to Add to Map, and the pin will turn red. And it's already recorded here. Now let's find another place. Let's say I want to go to MGM Grand. Okay, which is right there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Right, there we go. We click on that, Add to Map. If you're not sure if this is the place, read it carefully or use the street view, and you can see MGM. Right there. Okay. In this case, we don't need it because it's pretty straightforward. Okay, now the next part. Where are we going to go to next? Ruins of St. Paul's. All right, there we go. Click on it again. Click Add to Map, and now we have a red point, a red pin, more like. I think we can add one more. Let's find the Grand Prix Museum. Now, different people will have different locations. That's not a problem. So I'm just putting in any locations as an example. There we go. Now we've got 4 locations, right, that we're going to visit. Now, the question is, what order are we going to visit these in? So it could be that we might start at the ferry terminal, and then we'll go to the Grand Prix Museum, and then we'll go to St. Paul's Ruins, and then we'll go to the MGM Grand. And maybe we'll go back to the ferry terminal at the end. Okay? Now, how are we going to map this out? Well, I will show you how that is done in the next tutorial. But before that, I just want to rename this. So I'm going to call this layer Places I Will Visit in Macau. So that way it doesn't get confusing, right? So here, okay, these are all the places I'm going to visit in Macau. And I'm going to give my map a name. So I'm going to call it Macau ELW 2015. Okay, Mr. Marriott's Destinations. Whatever you like. Click Save. And there we go. Okay. Please check back for the next tutorial. Thank you very much, and goodbye.